Lesson 14, Horizontal STEM School Student Data. This presentation, and this video I should say, is going to be in reference to horizontal lookup again. And very quickly you'll notice that what we have here is a database of the school. I have the students, their name across the top, parents, address, city, so forth and so on. Pertinent information that administrator might want to bring up rather quickly. And here is an example of what happened. We typed in the person's name in this cell, and because it's looking at a horizontal lookup, it looks at the reference. So for example, the parent's name, this is going to be right up here, 3. Okay, the address will be 4, so forth and so on. So if you're looking at phys ed, the equation here for phys ed is going to have to be this number here, 14. Now, just so you can fully grasp what we're talking about, here's science. I put it after phys ed because you need to go up here and see where science is located. It's 11. So this equation here will be 11. Let's jump to the spreadsheet so you can see exactly what I am talking about. Okay, pay close attention to what I'm about to show you. All right. Our database starts here in A2, all the way down here to G15. It's the blue area. And the reason I need to point this out is because the student's name is 2. The parent's name is in 3. Show you what I mean. Here is the parent's name. Right? I'm going to click here for the equation. It says A20. We're looking up the name Bud Vase. A2 to G15. However, the number is 2, which means it's not up here, it's 3, because we're starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we're moving down by 1, because I want you to pay close attention to what we're talking about. Now we put some information here for you, but obviously you can do more than that in a real situation. I just created this just to show you exactly what could and can be done. That's the main purpose of this. So again, please look carefully. You'll notice that we start in A2. So look at row 2. That's really going to be a 1. 1, 2, 3. So the city is going to be 4. So let me click on city. If you look up here, here's the equation. Horizontal lookup, A20. That's where you're going to find it. And here is the table, A2 to G15. However, we're looking at 4. So the city is 4. Don't look at the 5. We're looking at number 4. Okay, hopefully if you understand that, this is excellent. You made my day. All right, well, thank you for watching our... Oh, by the way, we're going to eliminate these last 3 for you. So you're going to have to fill those in. Okay, all right. Show it to me when you're done. Thank you.